Hi, my name is JC Ring, and I'm going to show you how to make this amazing, quick and easy dish that goes for any occasion, party, baby shower, bridal shower, anything you can think of. It's called Captain Rodney's Dip. So at first I have my home page, and it's got pictures of the Captain Rodney's pepper jelly and the final product. And you're going to scroll down, and I have 3 sections. The first one is materials. It has all the ingredients and the measurements that you'll need to make this dish, and then the step-by-step detailed instructions, and then when it's complete it has a little bit of details of what to do when you're done. And you can scroll down, and I have this "A taste is worth 1,000 pictures" Captain Rodney. And then you can see this little chart we made, and it has some more details on why you should make it and how great it is. It's a super easy party food dish. And right here I have other sources and recipes. So you can click on this first one, and it has a breakfast casserole that's made with this pepper jelly. In the second link, it's another step-by-step ingredients to make the same dish that I'm showing you how to make, but it's just laid out a little bit different. And we can go to in this about page, and it has information about me and myself. You can learn about me, and you go back to the home page. You can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's got my information and a little bit about on why you should make this dish. But you can contact me and tell me how your experience went with this, or if you have any helpful tips. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.